This is Paula Akana. January 23rd, 1988 marked a special day for the Hawaiian people. For the first time since before the arrival of the missionaries, Hawaiians have come together as one to enjoy that which is Hawaiian. The event went off without a hitch. More than 41,000 people filled the stands. Thousands more could be found on the field and on the stage entertaining. And still more were out in the parking lots preparing the meals. Many said it was not possible to bring that many Hawaiians together, but Kamaki Kanahele determined to see it happen. He said it was time to unite.
We have the most cancerous diseases. We have a lesser lifespan than any other nationality in Hawaii. Hawaiians are living shorter. They're the most unemployed. They're the most illiterate.
At first, Kanahele said about 80% of those approached said it could not be done. But as the day of the event grew closer, the excitement snowballed, and many jumped in to become part of the project. Hula halaus from all across the state wanted to get involved. They met at the Aloha Stadium to rehearse a single number. Nearly every labor union in the state offered a much-needed helping hand. One of the goals of Ho'olokahi was to offer a plate lunch for everyone attending. Weeks in advance, more than 15,000 pounds of pig was put into imus on Oahu and Maui to later be made into kalua pig and cabbage. As one observer put it, the Hawaiian societies came in waves, while the halau hit like a tsunami. The chanters made their presence known throughout the stadium as they led hundreds upon hundreds of dancers onto the field, all dressed in their finest attire. Young and old, new dancers and kumuhula representing the halau or hula schools from across the state. The crowd went wild. It was something never seen before in written Hawaiian history. Such a large gathering of dancers at once on one stage. It was a sight that took the breath away of all who watched.
Nana I hala pepe tahonua o tamotu.
The halal performed to Au'a'io, which was written well over a century ago. It was chosen especially for this event. And translated roughly, it begins by saying, O child, look and observe the heritage. Thy lands, O child, retain them.
Nana I hala pepe tahonua otamo tu.
The halal performed to Au'a'io, which was written well over a century ago. It was chosen especially for this event. And translated roughly, it begins by saying, O child, look and observe the heritage. Thy lands, O child, retain them.